Today is the design showcase for all of civil and environmental engineering. I'm the instructor of the environmental engineering capstone class, and this semester we're designing the 3 treatment plants required to reclaim Moshannon Creek.
The students are helping a local citizens action group with the problem of acid mine drainage. Toxic waters from abandoned coal mines that pollute the Moshannon Creek, turning it red with iron and minerals and killing the fish.
The water that's coming out of those mines is very, very bad, very heavily polluted with metals. It's very heavily acidic, and you can even see just looking at it that it's orange, like almost red because of how much iron is in it and how acidic it is.
It's nice to see results of what the students produced and that it's actually a real-world problem that they're working on.
6 student teams will write proposals for 3 acid mine drainage water treatment plants to be strategically placed along Moshannon Creek.
Our team was given Sulphur Run near Winburn, PA, and our task was to look at the discharge points of AMD that were going into Sulphur Run, look at how they affect the Moshannon Creek, and find a way to solve that so that AMD isn't a problem anymore. So here's the mines that are doing it. We had to use the PA Mine Atlas website. We found 6 main discharge points split up between 3 different mines, Mine 45 and then Mine 46 and 47, which is a combined mine.
The Moshannon Creek Watershed Association, they give us the data, raw data points of influence sources, acidity, flow rates, all this stuff, and we average it all out. And we compared these numbers to the effluent standards for the water and see which areas we need to treat more than others and how drastic of treatment we need to do for each of these areas to get the water to be clean and neutral.
The place we're going to place the plant is right on the shore of the Moshannon Creek, and it's right beside the existing wastewater treatment facility. And it's just one large parcel. It's all woods. There's no houses to remove.
Discharges into the creek can reach volumes of 3,000 gallons per minute. So the students propose active treatment plants that can aggressively treat high volumes of acid mine drainage.
The way we solve this is by adding a caustic lime solution that oxidizes out some of the metals and just overall raises the pH. It adds alkalinity to the water, basically. And the way we get the metals out is we add this polymer that joins all the metals together and makes them combine, and these heavy particles settle out of the water and they settle down to the bottom.
Then we just have some natural polishing pond and wetlands to further allow those metals to settle out. Once those get treated, most of the red mow will not be contaminated anymore, and I think it'll really bring back the trout and the fishing industry of this area.
The students' capstone projects help visualize possible solutions as the plans for Moshannon Creek move forward.
I like what I see so far. I think they've got some good ideas. I think they are very similar to what will probably actually be built.